Aloha, thank you for joining me for this bite-sized class today. We are going to talk about the twist shimmy. So the twist shimmy is a horizontal forward and back movement of the hips. Hips are going to stay nice and horizontal to the floor. So I'm thinking about bringing my hip bone forward and then back, forward and back, forward and back. While you're bringing the hips forward and back, twisting on the horizontal plane, the arms, most importantly, are going to stay out of the movement. So I like to imagine my arms kind of resting on a ballet bar in front of me. If you're still having problems keeping your hands or your arms out of the movement, you can try to do it against your wall. So place your hands on your wall and then get your hips going. So we're going to work through a couple tempos to try to get the twist shimmy up to speed into a nice little shimmy. But let's start slow. So coming onto the floor, you're going to bring your hips forward and back. Try to keep the right hip and the left hip both even. Forward, back, forward, back. Good. Don't forget to breathe. This movement you can start to get a stitch, so make sure you're breathing. Knees are soft. Good, now let's speed it up. Forward, back. Good, inhale, arms up. Hands are going to come behind the head and out. Good. From here, I'm going to place my weight onto the right foot, bringing the left leg into kickstand leg, and we're going to keep that twist shimmy going. Good. Bending the knees through center, positioning onto that left leg as that right foot is in kickstand leg. And my accent is going back, 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 back. So my forward is on the and. Good, through center. Good, one more time. And back to both feet. So from here, we're going to try to get it up to speed. So I'm going to think about revving up my hips like a lawnmower. I'm pulling the string and then I'm letting it go. And I'm going to relax. So I'm going to relax the abs. The movement is much smaller. So as we were kind of working through the tempo, the movement is bigger. But as you increase the movement gets smaller. So it's just, my hips are just working about an inch forward and an inch back. And once you get the momentum going, keeping the glutes relaxed, the hips are bouncing off of each other. So really nice and small. It also could feel like you are wagging a puppy dog tail behind you. Okay? So knees are always soft. And my feet are really gripping onto the floor. Good. Here we go. Twist shimmy. Keeping the arms out of it. We're going to come over to the downstage right diagonal. Arms up. Behind the head. Little arm undulation here. Good, through center. Again, through center. Good, arms up. And last time, arms up. are relaxed. If you find your arms are doing this, it's because your upper body wants to help with the movement. So think about rolling those shoulders back, relaxing the face, relaxing the neck, relaxing the jaw, relaxing the arms, relaxing the back. Let's give it one more try. Here we go. Working it through tempo. Forward, back, and then increase your speed. And then one more time, bringing it up to speed into the twist shimmy. Good, hold. And take a break. Awesome job, you guys. Thank you for joining me for this little bite-sized class focused on the twist shimmy. If you want to join the full-length class, you can find me on Patreon. All of the information for my Patreon and social media is all in the video description below. So go ahead and check it out, and I hope you have a fabulous